Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this lovely one-bedroom apartment over on Asbury Court, just on the border of Monton. So you've got excellent transport links surrounding yourself here, just a short stroll into Monton Village and the array of shops, bars and restaurants that the fabulous area has to offer. So we've just come through to the main bedroom. As you can see, there's plenty of fitted wardrobes and storage space in here, and as we continue down the entrance hall, you've got the bathroom on my left, the lounge and access to the kitchen, fabulous storage cupboard, and as you can see, the loft hatch ahead of me, which is fully boarded and offers once again plenty of storage. So just in the shower room now, nice decent shower size cubicle. It is fully electric throughout the apartment. And then into this fabulous storage cupboard, which as you can see does offer plenty of space, and onto this lovely bright and airy lounge. Now the property is coming to the market chain free. It is with a 70% ownership, and the service charge is £160 per month, which includes everything such as the maintenance of the communal gardens, the window cleaning. The building has just had a new lift installed. And as we now continue on into the fitted kitchen, as you can see, plenty of storage in here. Once again, you've got the built-in oven. And the double glazing throughout the apartment has been updated around 2 years ago. So there's residence parking just out the window here, as you can see. And the communal gardens, which are just out of the back window here, if you can see. Not very well. But a lovely, really well presented one bedroom apartment, which is close to brilliant amenities. Got excellent transport links, as mentioned, and it's coming to the market with 70% ownership. So if you're interested in coming along, maybe thinking about downsizing, do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900 to come and take a look.